I've never seen him smile like that, driving ever. We go driving. Tristan, let's go driving. Take the Ferraris. Let's take the Lamborghinis. Let's go to the mountains.
Anytime when I'm ready, suck. You're my day upon the telly, send the food and I'm a zelly, yo, the dial steady.
Oh, I don't want to, blah, blah, moans. Doesn't even like supercars ever. I've never seen a smile like that on his face in a McLaren Ferrari ever. Look at him. Happiest man in the world. Isn't she beautiful?
What do you think, T?
As good as new. Now we're talking. A nice cloud of poisonous smoke. Strengthen the lungs.
Man, I'm on one from us, some people avenue. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when you
Those are sexy car keys.
don't think twice.
Jealous? Shaking my keys at him. Those are supercar keys. Wind down the window manually. For a short drive, eh?